I just love practicing drawing faces over the 3-area grid. I'm not looking for perfection here, just quick drawings for practicing and getting ideas down quickly. This is my basic face with standard placeholder features, and I'm sure there are many more ways to draw placeholder features, but these are some of my favorites. Yeah, so this first one I'm just quickly drawing in the basic features that I most often use. You know, my rectangle slanted eyes, flattened triangle mouth, my 3-line ears, quick hairline, and here I'm doing the inverted triangle nose, and then I'm doing, you know, a different set of eyebrows, and still back to the 3-line ears with my number 5 for the ear details, and then just fashioning the jaw based on the width of the mouth. Here's my little fancy M nose. It's really effective. And here are 4-line ears that I like to use. You know, putting the width of the skull in. And just doing a different jaw width and neck. Now these eyebrow shapes I like for females. They work really well. You have to fill them in after though, but anyway. And this is more of a manga style, and I shortened the chin a lot here. So. Let's see, okay, so for this one here, I'm putting in thicker eyebrows. A specialized M nose that I like to use, a little more detail in the M nose. Some big cheekbones there, and a big square jaw, and some 4-line ears with a bit more detail. I put the dragon in the ear there, if you know what I'm talking about. And a big, thick, solid neck, more in the Captain America, Batman style. Now this one on purpose, I decided to do more rounded features. Rounded eyes, rounded eyebrows, a little more rounded mouth, and then a little more rounded jaw. And the half apple ears, I like to call them. All right, what do we got here? Oh yeah, my slanted rectangle eyes, and then I just detail them. And here I'm putting in my fancy M nose, and the ball of the nose a bit more, and big cheekbones, a quick hairline, more of a comic book style mouth. And here I flare the jaw out just a little bit to give it a different feature, super wide jaw. Okay, we're back to a little bit of a manga style, my 7-line eyes that I cover in different videos. And notice the eyebrows go both the same direction. That's a little manga tip you can use. And you know, the broken mouth idea. And here I'm just throwing in some quick hair. Not sure why I did that, I just felt like it. Now we're getting on to more Archie comic style features here. You know, the kind of warped triangle mouth. Those all-in-one eyelashes. Yeah, they work really, really well. So this is a simple but really smart style that made drawing characters a lot quicker for the Archie artists. And here we're back to the slanted rectangles. And notice the 2 lines for the iris of the eyes. I like doing that when I'm in a hurry. Here I'm doing the tough guy mouth there, and the big, big cheekbones there. And there's that standard hairline, and putting on just a basic male hairdo there. Now we're going to do a little bit of an emotional face here, very angry. Notice the lines between the eyebrows and on the nose to get that super angry look. And on the last one here, I decided to make the face like a big meat slab, you know, just a big, broad, meaty kind of face. Friendly, but, you know, just a big, big dude here with all big features, wide nose, thick lips, etc. And we're done, just like that. So if you enjoy these kind of things, let me know in the comments if there's any face styles you'd like me to go over. I'd be happy to for you. So that's it for today.